There was also a point of time when I felt that ophthalmology is supposedly not my subject. I just felt alienated to ophthalmology altogether. Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Medico's World. For the ones who have been newly joining into my journey, both as a booktuber as well as a Medico, let me introduce myself. This is Achyut Murari from the second year of MBBS of Osmania Medical College, Hyderabad. You must have understood by now, as the title suggests, that today I'm going to be sharing you about a vlog about how my ophthalmology postings basically have gone. Despite it being subject of the third year, we still have been having the peripheral postings, and also as we have already studied the anatomy of the eye in our anatomy in the first year, as well as the physiology or the functioning of the eye, we indeed have a little knowledge about the things going on there. So supposedly the hospital which we have been posted for the ophthalmology is called the Sarojini Devi Eye Hospital, named after the veteran poet and the Nightingale of India, none other than Sarojini Naidu. This hospital is supposedly the tertiary care hospital with 500 beds, and it is like the apex of eye care in the government hospitals in Telangana. We have been posted there for more than 3 weeks, and we have been allotted unit wise with the various things, like there are various aspects which basically go, like there is outpatient department where basically there is an influx of the patients and we need to just have the primary diagnosis, and then the second department basically deals with minor operation theater. Minor operation theater is somewhere basically where they do syringing, where they try to remove the sutures or some of the post operative smaller operation techniques which are usually done in the minor operation theater. And the most important and the most interested one was the OT directly, the operation theater directly. Yes, we had the privilege of actually visiting an operation theater, and we had the privilege of actually watching a cataract surgery being done. The most interesting part was when we ourselves were watching the whole procedure of the cataract being done, and our professors were parallelly explaining, the PGs as well as the professors both are parallelly explaining us all the steps. Of course the theory was already taught to us, or basically, so like it's okay. They were parallelly explaining us the steps of the all the steps which requires in the cataract, and their corresponding complications along with the procedure they have been trying to do. I have to emphasize on this thing in this whole vlog, and that was a traumatic experience I myself had in the operation theater while my professors were doing a cataract surgery. So, as far as I remember, I was heavily traumatized watching eye being dissected. Like, as such, they have been using sharp tools, scalpels, many other operation tools so as to be directly invading into the lens or removing the cataracted lens or the opacified lens. I could not digest watching operation being done over such a small organ such as eye, and while such a heavy instrumentation was being used, I felt sick, I felt nauseatic, and that was a whole big traumatic experience. And as we were studying more and more, as we were trying to decipher or understand more and more, I got used to the whole techniques, and I got used to the whole ambience of our operation theater and the cataract surgery being done, and hence I thoroughly loved it. There was also a point of time when I felt that ophthalmology is supposedly not my subject. I just felt alienated to ophthalmology altogether. But thanks to my friends and my professors and my PGs, they were like, they just initiated, they just kindled a lot of interest into me about ophthalmology. And later on, the thing was like, I now am able to cope up with things properly. I thoroughly loved picking up the clips of the whole vlog. I could not make many vlogs because, of course, as I was more concentrating upon the whole things they have been explaining me, I could not get many clips. But I've tried to sum up the whole thing in just one video in here. Next coming up video, we'll have a second part of the whole ophthalmology vlog, and that will be based upon my experiences during Operation Theatre. So thank you so much for watching. Until the next video, take care, stay safe, bye bye.